breaking every division and classes of insurance, and giving a new meaning to whole insurance industry. We started Co-Operative Insurance Company in 1999 to carry insurance beyond the limits.
Sri Lankan insurance industry was grasped by multinational companies. We introduced a localized insurance concept for all Sri Lankans. That was the first victory we had. Those days insurance is reluctant to cities. We are carrying it to whole Sri Lankans and they could get insurance service with a reasonable basis. We launched our company in March 1999, with 83 million capital and whole cooperative societies of Sri Lanka. In addition to the cooperative society's money, some private investors had invested to start our company.
Mr. Wasantha Ranasinghe was the first chairman of the company.
We started with the aim of providing a fair insurance solutions to whole Sri Lankans in that journey. Later our branch network expanded with major cities, Galumatara, Anuradhapura, etc. We are able to establish our head office in own location with a 300 million investment. We should remind our partners and customers those how trusted on our services. At that time many insurance companies didn't have their own head office, but with a high capital strength and high stability, we were able to come to a status like this in a very short time. We expanded our branch network around the country according to the concept of Managing Director Mr. Wasantha Ranasinghe in 2015. Under the leadership of the Managing Director we are able to establish a branch in every cities in Sri Lanka by the end of 2017. This was really easy for the rural people to get their insurance. In addition to starting branches, we expanded our service center network also.
By the end of 2019, the company had 130 insurance service center.
As the result, the company has become one of the fastest growing insurance companies in the country. In 2017, company has introduced few modern business concepts under the current Managing Director Mr. Wasantha Ranasinghe.
Fast Track Unit.
Motor claim will be settled within 1 working days. Initially this concept is used to settle claims which are relevant to three-wheelers and motor bicycle. Initially 200 files will be completed in a day. With this concepts company has been promoted among the existing customer base because of the customer convinces.
Innovative Call Center.
The most modern call center with 24/7 working habit. With this call center customer will be monitored by relevant call center agent till the customer satisfied. After every accident, call center agent will contact customer in every 15 minutes. Always introducing latest technology par with Sri Lankan premier telecommunication companies. Increasing number of calls up to 18,000.
8 to 8 super unit.
This concept introduced for the customers those who having busy life schedule. Initially it was started at head office.
End of the 2018 8x8 branches extended up to 4 branches.
Software development unit.
We decided to introduce own software development unit. With this unit, we expected to develop originate software to each and every departments. Initially we introduce exclusive software to Motor Claims Department and Human Resource Department. Our ultimate objective is to introducing cooperative insurance app to increase the customer convenience.
Document management system.
Filling the phone. Data scanning. Data updating to the system. Issuing insurance certificate.
With this documentary management system we're able to serve the customer by following above 4 steps. We have invested to purchase latest technical equipment to make this DM success.
Cooperative Insurance Training Academy.
Local and international training program are introduced to the staff via this academy.
Exclusive postal department.
We used postal network to serve the customers. Company Postal Division has produced over 2 million business volume in each month.
We reach many milestone after the arrival of Managing Director Mr. Wasantha Ranasinghe. His leadership help us to carry on the success what we gained previously.